In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Forza Horizon 4. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select pin drawer and select extract to. Once this extract done, press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Back to app data and open roaming. Open Goldberg SteamEmu, random number, remote, and this is your user ID. You need to right click on your user ID and select rename. Copy this user ID and then go back to 100% save extracted. Open remote and make this name and scroll down to the bottom. Change all these user IDs to your user ID. Right click, rename and paste the ID we copied and press enter. Do the same thing for others. Once you're done, back to this location and back up your user ID. Just right click and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup and drag and drop your game progress inside this backup and drag and drop the 100% files inside this location. Once you're done, you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the tab key and change the camera view. Once you switch the camera view, press the escape key and go to settings. Go to difficulty settings and change shifting to automatic and press the escape key and save and continue. And now I'll show you guys all the cars. World map, everything is unlocked. Change car, all cars unlocked. You can buy whatever car you like. Lots of credits left. And the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.